Here's a 2015 GMC Sierra 1500. Comfort, convenience, power, and performance. For most trucks, these are ideals. For this truck, it's an undeniable reality. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: streaming audio, Wi-Fi hotspot, front heated leather split bench seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, remote engine start, dual zone climate control, V8 engine, aluminum wheels, electronic shift on the fly, and power heated mirrors. Of the Sierra, Truck Trend explains, the Vortec 4800 winds through the power band quickly, setting up the transmission for a precise shift. GMC, professional grade vehicles suited to fit your needs. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
Another reason to choose Bob Pulte Chevrolet. What's the Pulte price? It's my promise to you that we'll not lose your business because of price. We'll do everything in our power to let nothing stand between you and the new car or truck you're looking for.